Hi there, Susan from Sue's Art. I'm going to do a line pour today. This is a simple technique and it's one of my 5 and 5 series. That's 5 paint pouring techniques using 5 colours and just the one pouring medium. So I have the 5 colours that I've been using for all in this series. So I've got my white, my navy blue, my green yellow, turquoise and gold. Now this is a little bit thinner than the video where I showed the mixing the consistency, so I've just thinned it out a little bit more using some additional pouring medium. So when it runs off the stick, you want it to only leave a trace on the surface of the paint for just half a second, and then you want the paint to disappear back in. So you want it a little bit thinner, because this is one where we really want the paint to move. Okay, so I'm going to start with flooding the canvas a little bit with the white. Now I'm going to grab a palette knife. You don't have to use a palette knife, you can just use your mixing stick, your icicle stick. I find the palette knife moves things much more smoothly though. It's a lot easier to work with. You can pick palette knives up from just about anywhere, any of those sort of cheap $2 stores that sell paint and canvases. I think Kmart have them. You don't need to invest a lot of money in expensive equipment. All right, so that's my flood coat. Now I'm going to get a empty cup and I'm just going to layer the paints in. All right, now I might just give that a quick torch because I'm seeing a few bubbles there. Okay, so I think I might do my line pour in a bit of an arc and then we will stretch it out. Okay, have a quick torch. Get my paints out of the way. And we start moving it around. So I like to get the canvas, oh, I can see a lump there. I like to get most of the canvas covered before I start to tip paint off the edge. And what I might do, I might get my corner catcher actually. This is just one of those little paint cards from Bunnings. I'll just fold it in half so I can get to a corner. And catch the paint so I don't lose too much of it until I'm ready to play with the composition. Okay. It's looking very interesting. I'm not sure I love this big, thick bit of turquoise through this section here. So I think what I might do is just grab my skewer, just run a line through and see if it picks up any paint from underneath. Certainly does not seem to want to. Still a little bit of movement of the paint. We'll see how it dries. That big turquoise area might dry. The colours might come through a little bit more and not be quite so stark looking like that. I might just give it one more last torch. Give it a little spin just to try and even the paint out a little bit if there's anything else that still wants to run. I love these little cells that have been popping up. That's from the Floetrol. All right, let me just clean my edges. I think we'll call that done.